Hello friends, we are back with the problems related to our daily life. A lady planned to save rupees 100 every year on the birthday of her daughter. Starting with rupees 100, every year she used to increase the amount by 100. Means first year she saved rupees 100, in the next year birthday she saved 200 and next year 300 and so on. In this way she made a pattern starting with 100 and increasing every year 100. Similarly, we observe some pattern in suppose tables, multiplication tables, like we observe the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35 and so on. At each step we are increasing the terms by 7 or we are adding 7 and the starting term was 7 itself, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. It is also a pattern. The similar was the pattern made by the lady starting with 100 and every year increasing by 100. Here is also starting with 7 and then increasing by 7 at each step, or the steps are called terms, like 7 twos are 14 means 2 is the second term. 7 fives are 35 means 5 is the fifth term. Fifth term in the table of 7 is 35. The term from where we started our table or the pattern is called the first term of the pattern, and the increment given at each step is called the difference or common difference of that pattern. So in case of table of 7, first term is 7, common difference is again 7, T5, term 5 is 35, term 9 is 63 and so on. And what is the upper limit? Nothing. It will be given in the question. The nth term, Tn. Similarly, in case of that lady, the first term was 100, the second term was 200, the third term was 300 and so on, with the common difference every year 100. So we see everything around us, the tables, the calculations, the salary amount, the expenditure, etc., all are having some pattern, and the preceding term and preceding term, or we can say two consecutive terms, have same common difference. Like 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42. 35 and 42, they have the common difference 7. One thing to note over here is the pattern can be increasing or decreasing also. That we will discuss later on. So we have reached to today's topic, that is arithmetic progression or AP. AP or arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained either by adding or subtracting a fixed number, that is called the common difference from the preceding term and the preceding term. Let us understand the concept of AP with a few examples. The first one is example 1. First part 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on is an AP. Let us check how. The first term of the given pattern is 1. The second one is 3. Term 3 is 5. Term 4 is 7 and so on. Then we find the common difference by subtracting any of the two consecutive terms, preceding term minus preceding term. Let us take the first two terms. We subtract 3 minus 1. It is equal to 2. So 2 is our common difference. Then each term of this sequence is obtained by adding 2 to the preceding term, like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and so on. It means the first part is an AP. Now we take the second part. 200, 170, 140, 110 and so on is an AP. The thing to note over here is that the terms are written in decreasing order. So the common difference will be a negative term. Let us see how. To find common difference of an AP, we subtract preceding term from the proceeding term. Here the proceeding term is 170. So we subtract 200 from 170 and the answer will be minus 30. Therefore, the common difference becomes minus 30 and each term in the given series is added minus 30. Let us see. 200 added minus 30 gives us 170. Then 170 added minus 30 gives 140. 140 add minus 30 gives 110 and so on. Therefore, clearly it is an AP. With first term 200, common difference minus 30. The third example is very interesting one. The given pattern is 1, 1, 1, 1 and so on. It is also an AP. Let us check. Here the first term T1 is 1. Second term T2 is 1. Third term T3 is 1. Fourth term T4 is also 1 and so on. By definition, the common difference will be T2 minus T1. Term 2 is 1 minus term 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So common difference comes out to be 0. And to make the given pattern as AP, we always add the common difference to the preceding term. How? 1 is the first term, adding the common difference 0. 1 plus 0 is 0. It is second term. Again to the second term, adding the common difference 1 plus 0. Again T3 we are having. T3 plus common difference T4 and so on. Therefore, clearly it is an AP with first term 1, common difference 0. The fourth example, the sequence given is minus 10, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1 and so on. It is also an AP. To find the common difference, we subtract first term from the second term, that is T2 minus T1. Means minus 7 subtract minus 10. And this will, after opening up the brackets of minus 10, we get minus 7 plus 10. And this gives the common difference as 3. Now by adding the common difference in each term, we get all the preceding terms as 3 added to minus 7, we get minus 4. 3 added to minus 4, we get minus 1 and so on. Therefore, clearly it is an AP with first term minus 10 and common difference 3. And finally, the fifth example 2, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. It is not an AP. Let us check how we find the difference between two consecutive terms. Here 5 minus 2 is 3. But 7 minus 5 is not 3, rather it is 2. Again 11 minus 7, it is 4. Therefore, the common difference is continuously changing. It is not a fixed value. Therefore, given pattern is not an AP. From these 5 examples, we have learnt a lot about the AP series. Now we will derive the terms related to the AP series. We started with the first term, and the first digit of AP series is called the first term, denoted by small English letter A. And the common difference that we did by subtracting preceding term and preceding term, that is denoted by small English letter D, called the common difference of the AP series. And the count of the terms in the series is called the number of terms of AP denoted by small n, and the nth term of the AP series is denoted by AN or TN, and from the above notations we derive the formula to calculate the nth term of an AP. Based on that formula we will do the sums and practice of more examples. The formula is the nth term or AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, nth term is first term, A is first term, plus n number of terms subtracted by 1. We have to take 1 less than the total number of terms given in the series and into multiplied by the common difference. Now we solve the examples to practice this formula. It is not always necessary to apply this ready-made formula to find the terms of the sequence, but we can also use our IQ or presence of mind or intelligence to solve the sums when we have the first term and common difference with us. Let us see how. The first example says rate of diesel per liter is rupees 50. It is increased rupees 3 after every 6 months. Make an arithmetic progression series of the rate for 2 years. We know 1 year has 2 6 months, means 12 months can be converted into 2 6 months. Therefore, for 2 years the term will be 4 times the 6 months, means we have to go for the 4 terms. Increased rupees 3 means common difference is here 3, and the starting rate of the diesel will give us the first term, that is A. Means we have got A, the first term, is equal to 50, 3 is the common difference, and we have to find the next 4 terms in the given question. Let us see the solution. The present rate per liter is equal to rupees 50. Rate after first 6 months is 3 increased by 50, that is 50 plus 3 rupees 53. Then rate after 1 year means 3 more is added to the 53 rupees. Therefore it is 56 rupees. Rate after 1 year complete and half more, that will be 56 added 3, it is 59, and finally rate after 2 years will be 59 plus 3, that is rupees 62. And in the question we were asked to make an arithmetic progression series of this question. Therefore the AP series will be 50 the first term, then all the 4 terms, that is 50, 53, 56, 59 and 62. This is the required AP. Here the first term is 50 and common difference for each term is 3. This is how we can do the sums in AP series. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, take care and work hard. If you have any queries, you can ask to us by writing in our comment box. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Work hard and stay safe. Bye bye.